Today, I'll walk you through how to fix the CloudFlare error of continuously loading, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to resolve this issue so you can access your website smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your CloudFlare dashboard. This is your control center for managing your website security and performance. If you're unsure how to get there, simply log into your CloudFlare account and you'll see your domains listed on the main page. Next, we need to clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache data or outdated security cookies often cause those frustrating verification loops. To do this, open your browser settings. You can quickly access this by pressing Ctrl and Shift and then Delete on Windows, or Command and Shift and then Delete on Mac. Once you're in the settings, select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Make sure to choose a time range of at least all time. After that, click Clear Data. This process will help refresh your connection to the website. Once done, restart your browser and try accessing the site again. If the issue persists, let's check your CloudFlare Web Application Firewall or MIAFI security level. Log back into your CloudFlare dashboard and select your domain, navigate to the security section and then go to Settings. Here you'll see the option for the security level. If it's set to high or under attack mode, lower it to medium or low. This adjustment can help reduce unnecessary blocks that might be causing the loading issue. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. CloudFlare updates its interface from time to time. Just follow the steps as closely as you can. Once you've made these changes, give your website another try. If everything is set correctly, you should be able to access your site without any further loading issues. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.